Now, let me carefully guide you on how to create a virtual studio for a blogger using AI and CapCut on your phone. It's easier than you might think. First, you need to open your CapCut app on your phone. After that, carefully select the Idols option. Here, you will choose the text labeled Image to proceed to the next step. Next, you must carefully enter a prompt here so that a unique image will be generated for your virtual studio project. For instance, if you need an image for a specific business, you should craft a prompt tailored to your business needs. As you can see here, you might write that you want a table with various papers, documents, or other relevant items on it. This way, the generated image will perfectly reflect your business theme, enhancing the overall virtual studio experience for your audience. If it's a podcast, write studio in your prompt. Create a beautiful studio and ensure everything is nicely arranged. Just access your ChatGPT and ask for help. Now that your image is generated, you can save this picture, any one you created, for your virtual studio project. After that, what do you do next? You need to access your image and then click on it to remove the background. How is this done, you ask? First, select the background removal tool, carefully adjust the settings, and ensure a clean result. This way, your image will look professional. Now, as you can see here, click on the Auto Remove Background option. When you do this, the background will be automatically removed. However, at this moment, I actually don't want the background to be removed just yet. Let's add it once more, as it has been removed. So what do we do next? You need to set up your virtual studio. This is an essential step as it will provide the perfect backdrop for your content. Carefully arrange your elements to create an engaging environment for your audience. Once you've removed the background, you can add your image to your studio setup, creating a great backdrop. After this, as a suggestion, consider adding AI voiceover to enhance your content. This will make your videos more engaging and professional. How is it done? First, you enter the auto subtitles section, or alternatively, you can simply add some text. For instance, if you have a brief message, just type it in. This will enhance your video content significantly. After this step, you save your work and then navigate to the To Ship section. Here you can select any voice you prefer. There are options for male, female, older, and younger voices. Choose one that best fits the style of your video, as this will enhance the overall presentation. Carefully consider your audience and the tone you want to convey, ensuring a perfect match for your content. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and see you soon.